Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to starting a discussion of CPU in detailing discussion of CPU, because in last session we was already talking about the components of CPU, which are the three main components of CPU, that is the control unit, ALU means arithmetic logic unit, and memory. We already discussed this process, how it can be processing in a CPU, right? This control unit mainly present in a inside of motherboard. Okay, so now we are starting a detailing about this each unit. First one is a control unit, and we all aware about this control unit. This control unit mainly manages the all the different types of work which can be processing in a computer. Yes, we know that when whatever we input into a device, that input can be sent into a memory, and this all information and controlled by our control unit. So control unit send data to ALU from memory and give command for processing and making final result. Whatever we will input in our computer with the help of keyboard, with the help of input devices, that can be commanding by our control unit, and that file they can send to a memory for storing, and finally they can send this file to a ALU for preparing their information. So whatever the ALU prepare the information, they send to a control unit, and finally control unit send this information to again to memory, and after memory save this information, and after again they send this information to control unit, and finally this control unit send the data on a output device. So this is all of work of a control unit. First they receive the data from input device, then they send this data to memory. After memory storing that data, and this memory send this data directly to ALU, and after ALU preparing this information, that preparing information send it to control unit, and this control unit again send this message to a memory unit, and this memory unit save this information and again send to a control unit, and finally this control unit showing this all the information on a output device. So this is all about of work of control unit. Okay, after control unit there is a arithmetic and logic unit. What is arithmetic and logic unit? We already know that arithmetic and logic unit is mainly used for preparing any type of information. Whatever type of information, they directly preparing by ALU. As you all know that computer does any type of calculation. We already know that computer does any type of calculation. Any type of calculation can be done by the ALU. But how they make possible such calculations? How they managing this all type of calculation? So all the logical and calculation work done by one special component, that is called ALU. That, as I told you, ALU is the part or as a device or as a component which is mainly used for preparing any type of information into a computer. For example, if we say 5 plus 5 then equal to 10, so this information is correct, that can be specified and that can be confirmed by, that is ALU, right? 6 minus 4 equal to 2, so this information is right, that can be confirmed by ALU. So ALU can control so many things, and it can be prepared any type of information into a computer. They can also work as a logically work, like for example, if we know that 20 is not greater than 40, that is we know, but how computer is no because of ALU, because ALU is decide that it is a incorrect. 20 is not greater than 40, 20 is always smaller than 40, so that is a incorrect. That incorrect is done by ALU. Okay, then finally memory, and we already aware about memory. Memory is a most important part in a computer, because it can be storing any type of information that can be processing inside of CPU. So whatever the work done by the control unit, that all the information storing in a memory, and we already know this all the information in a above this table. Okay, so this is all about of today's session. In next session we will meet with some more information about computer. Till then, bye bye, take care.